And that's probably the most important part of social media. You can post all day long, but if you don't engage, you're not really getting any traction. Do you have any tips on how to get engagement?
Well, that's the thing, Norm. It's a two-way street. You can be posting all day, but if you're not actively looking at hashtags, geotags, going in there and seeing what other people are talking about that resonates with either your personal brand or your product, you're not going to get that engagement. I would really look at the top 10 hashtags that are most relevant to you and your business. Go in there, see who you can connect with, see what people are talking about, and then see what they're posting. And, I love the old saying, take from the best and make it your own. See what they're doing and see how you can make it either similar, but, more often better. And get in that conversation, so when everyone goes to those hashtags and they're seeing this wall of feeds come at them, for the top most recent posts, yours is going to stand out because it may be similar content, but it's going to be a cut above the rest. So look at what you can do and how you can improve it. So definitely go to hashtags, geotags. I think there's also a lot of conversation on Twitter. I think depending on your demographic or again, what resonates and you gravitate towards, a lot of people dismiss Twitter, but it's a great search engine. You can look for what the topics are, what's trending. I know that whenever Instagram goes down, everyone's first source is Twitter and saying, is Instagram down? What's going on? So just having that similar conversation, connecting with, seeing what people are talking about, that's how you can better sculpt your content and find out what's resonating with everyone that will come to your brand.
So